Hello! I'm just going to show you how to find Zoom conferencing, which is a video conferencing tool that your teachers may use and host a live class with. I know I do finger quotes a lot, but I am who I am. Okay, so to get Zoom on your Chromebook, you're going to want to look up, not Zoom, but Chrome Web Store. And once you get to the web store, you can look up Zoom scheduler, then you are going to click where it says add to Chrome for that. I already have it. Up here, it should look like this little blue camera. Once you install it, you're going to want to set up an account with your Grand Blanc student account or email so that on your Chromebook, you can join us live for classroom meetings or whatever it is that your teacher decides to do using Zoom. I don't know if all of your teachers may use it, but I know that I plan on maybe setting up a live classroom or a discussion, maybe here and there throughout the next couple weeks. So that's all I have. Have a good day.